Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to avoid tolls in Uber. Now, all you need to do is open your Uber driver app on your smartphone. And if you're not signed in, of course, you need to be signed in. After that, go to the app settings. So account, right? And then settings. In settings, you want to navigate the preferences section. So after that, you might want to set your default navigation app to Google Maps or Waze, since these are the apps often are the option to avoid toll roads, right? They're gonna navigate you, or they're gonna bring you to the roads that doesn't have any like toll fees, right, or toll booths. So after that, open Google Maps or Waze separately, enable the avoid tolls option in the navigation settings before you start driving. After that, once the trip is accepted, politely communicate with your passenger about avoiding toll roads and confirm if they agree to a potential longer route, right? If not, well, that's going to be a bit of an issue because some passengers might not want to bother with that. And yeah, that is how you avoid tolls on your Google Maps or Waze via your Uber ride. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell. I can see you on the next video.